Hello travelers. In this video, I want to talk about how many galaxies are there in the universe, also known as a galaxy by me. It's right now we're looking at, to start it out, this is the Milky Way galaxy. We're in this. We're in it. Yep. Look. Where are we here? Let me see. Hang on. Somewhere like over here, maybe over here, you know. But this is the Milky Way galaxy, and I just want to go into how many galaxies are in the universe, or are in space rather, you know. The answer, real quick for you, if you don't want to watch the video, it's 2 trillion galaxies as of 2020 that we're aware of. Currently in 2020, it was estimated that there are around 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. See, that's what we know. There's possibly many more. Each galaxy is unique, ranging in size from 10,000 light years to hundreds of light years. We're not going to get to all 2 trillion galaxies in this video, but I just wanted to touch base on it. No pun intended. Or intend the pun, that's fine. Galaxies have been classified under 5 categories. That's right, you can count them on your fucking hand. Ready? Let's do it. Spiral, barred spiral, lenticular, yeah, that's how you say it, elliptical, and irregular. But there might be more, right? Who knows? How many galaxies do scientists believe exist in your universe? Yeah, they say between 100 billion to 200 billion galaxies, said Mario Livio, an astrophysicist at the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore, Maryland. Oh. I wanted to hint on this topic because, that's a good one. Oh yeah, look at that spiral. Yeah. So basically, I wanted to hint on this because of this movie I watched with my fiance last night called The Navigator, and it made me really think about how naive and arrogant one must be to believe that we are the only ones, right? That takes a true arrogance that I'm not capable of. I thought I was arrogant, but they beat me. How many galaxies can fit into a universe? A landmark Hubble Deep Field taken in the mid-1990s, hey, that's not that long ago, gave the first real insight into the universe's galaxy population. Subsequent sensitive observations, such as Hubble's Ultra Deep Field, revealed a myriad of faint galaxies. This led to an estimate that the observable universe contained about 200 billion galaxies. What? Are there more planets or galaxies in the universe? With an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in our observable universe, we can finally make an accurate estimate of the total number of planets. Yeah, right. The enormity of cosmic chances for many may surprise you. Oh. Yeah, they keep going back and forth with this 102 billion galaxy thing. But then up here, it says 2 trillion. A little mathematical. I'm not the best. Math wasn't my best subject, but what the hell's going on here, guys? So basically, there's a lot of them. We can't even keep track of them. How do they name them all? Jesus. There's like as many solar systems as there are like bugs. What planets are in our solar system? Just in case you're unaware, or if you never cared, let's start caring right now. Our solar system is made up of a star. They call it the sun. Have you heard of this thing? It's really bright. 8 planets, 146 moons. Ooh, we only got 1. A bunch of comets, asteroids and space rocks, junk telescopes and shit, satellites, all that stuff. Ice and several dwarf planets. What? Such as Pluto. Yeah, Pluto's a dwarf planet. Isn't that nice? The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is closest to the sun. Neptune is farthest. You listening, Elon? You driving around in your Tesla? It's not a Tesla if it has meters on it, Elon. It's a Musk. So if you're driving a Tesla, you're driving a Musk. That's another video. Oh, here they have all kinds of galaxy names. Here, let's switch the picture. I don't want you guys to get bored. Thanks for coming along the ride. You can put in the comments below what your favorite galaxy or universe is. I'm biased because my favorite candy bar is the Milky Way. So I like the Milky Way, but I don't know. I'm looking at this other one. Is that the one that's up right now? Yeah, this one, Andromeda. Looks like Andromeda. It's Andromeda. Apparently, This thing's like 2 billion, 200 billion fucking light years away, or whatever the statistic is, but it's like very similar to ours. We're like, come on, guys. You think we're alone? Jesus Christ, we don't even know what's in the ocean. You guys have the arrogance to look at all the stars and be like, yeah, we're the only ones. God only cares about us. He's up on a cloud just smiting us with his lightning because of our behaviors. No, there's a lot going on. And believe it or not, humans aren't that advanced. There's like some species out there in the universe that are like hundreds of thousands of years, even billions, hundreds of billions of years ahead of us, okay? Get this into your little fucking pea brain. It'll help you, trust me. I've been cramming shit into my brain, and it's really working. I'm telling you, it's working. Alright, what is a galaxy? A galaxy is a gravitational bound system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. That's what Tesla's always talking about, the fucking dark matter. We could manipulate and analyze it and use it. The word is derived from the Greek Galaxies. Oh, everything comes from the Greeks. I guess they were first, right? Or Egyptians, yeah. Literally, Milky, a reference to the Milky Way galaxy that contains the solar system. Galaxies averaging an estimated 100 million stars. Jesus. Range in size from dwarfs? They keep talking about dwarfs. Is there elves? With less than 100 million stars, to the largest galaxies known as supergiants with 100 trillion stars. Holy shit. Each orbiting its galaxy center of mass. This is interesting. Let's switch the picture. Guys, did you know you are not alone in the universe and that it's all working perfectly? And that the space between, it's like a Dave Matthews song, the space between, it's actually it's holding everything together. We don't understand this yet. It's another video I have to do on that about travel. Yeah, it's about like teleportation travel. The quickest way from one source. Say I'm over here. This is another video, but I'm gonna go in it real quick. Stay with me. Say we're over here at our house, like right now I'm in my fucking room on Earth in my house, and I want to go to McDonald's. McDonald's is over here, right? I want to get a Happy Meal because everyone's depressed. But if I drive this way to McDonald's, like all down the back roads, scenic routes and stuff, it would take longer. But if you go straight, right? If you go straight, it's quicker. Seemingly, unless there's traffic, it's quicker that way. But what goes on in space, because time is a linear, and like it's not subsequent. What's the word? I don't know. But time, they're talking about teleportation. The quickest way to get from A to B isn't a straight line. It's through this like shit we don't understand. Electromagnetic travel, guys. It's a shame that humans aren't developed enough, and we're honestly socially and spiritually not developed enough to understand any of this. So it seems crazy. You're like, oh, it's conspiracy theory, all that shit. It's just because that's how we play it off, because we don't understand it, guys. We're Neanderthals. We're monkeys. What's the point of being so supposedly technologically advanced if you're not developed socially and spiritually? We're gonna self-destruct is my point of this video, really. And it makes me happy that we're not alone in the universe, because there's literally other things out there that are watching out for us. Aliens aren't scary. We are. We're the aliens, guys. Everything we're like, oh my god, they're gonna land, we're gonna have to shoot them and then rip them apart and analyze them and like fucking pick their bones apart and shit. No! They're not probing us. They're protecting us, guys. From ourselves, because we're fucking Neanderthals. Jesus. I've accepted that I don't know, and that's why I think I'm getting pretty far along the way here. The space between galaxies. That's what we're talking about. The space between... I'm gonna have to listen to Dave Matthews later. The space between galaxies is filled with a teeniest gas, the intergalactic medium, with an average density of less than 1 atom per cubic meter. Tesla, I think, knows this stuff. Most galaxies are gravitationally organized into groups, clusters, and superclusters. The Milky Way is part of the Local Group, which it dominates along the Andromeda Galaxy. Holy shnikes. The group is part of the Virgo supercluster. At a larger scale, these associations are generally arranged into sheets and filaments, surrounded by immense voids. Oh yeah, I like voids. But both the Local Group and the Virgo supercluster are contained in a much larger comic structure named Laniakea. That's a tough word. You're going to have to look that one up. Google that word. I'll be going for a day. There's so much on this. I can make like 12 videos out of this one topic. Hang on, let me see another one. What do you guys think? Is there other species out there? I think so. And I think you're crazy if you think we're the only ones, because we don't even know what octopuses are down there. The Kraken's down there, man. You know what I mean? Like, that's on our planet, on Earth, and we're so fucking thick-headed that we can't understand this. So, thanks for coming along this ride, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring-a-ding-ding my bell, and I will see you in this universe in the next video.